Greetings. We've got a surprise for you today. We're going to take you to our local Rural King. We're going to walk around with you and show you the chicks. Now, they've got a lot of chicks in here right now. So we'll walk through here. I'll kind of talk fast and tell you what I can about some of these and give you some ideas about what's out there. First, we have the Cali White. They're a dual-purpose bird. They lay up to 300 eggs a year. They come from mixing a California gray and a white leghorn. The next one we have here, looks like there's quite a few in here. There's Midnight Majesty Marins in there. Those are layers. They lay up to 250 brown eggs a year. And Well Summers, they lay about 200 to 280 eggs a year too, that are dark brown. Next we've got Sapphire Gem. They're a pretty prolific layer, 290 to 300 eggs a year. They're sex linkable, and Easter eggers, which are known for their colorful eggs, blue, green, olive, pink. Next, coming up, we've got the Golden Comet. They lay 250 to 300 eggs a year. They're red sex-linked hybrids. Also, the Rustic Rocks and the Cali Tans. Now, the Rustic Rocks, they're a dual-purpose bird, 250 to 300 eggs a year. If you haven't seen it, go watch our video on Rustic Rocks. They are my favorite chicks so far of all that we've come across. They are super duper friendly. They follow you around like a little puppy dog. They're just the coolest ones. Got the dark Brahma, the speckled Sussex, and the blue Andalusia. The blue Andalusia is pretty rare. We've got Production Blue, Amber Link, and Black Sex Link. They are all marked down to $3, so they've been here a little while. They're all layers, so each of those are pretty good birds there. Next, we've got the Pearl Onyx, the Turkin, and the Blue Australorp, and the Starlight Green Egg. Pearl Onyx is gray or smoky, not really, sometimes confused with a zombie chicken, but it's not the same. Here we've got some assorted bantams. They're usually a hatchery choice, a lot of different kinds that it could be. Not exactly sure what all is in there in this mix. Silver Lace Wyandottes, Red Stars, and Production Blues. Kind of looks like an aerial view from Times Square in New York City. A little busy there. Next we've got a few different ones here. We've got a Cali Gray, dual-purpose bird, Well Summer, and a Marin there. That's a cuckoo Marin. Okay, next we got Silver and Brown Leghorns. Not the most friendly birds if you've ever dealt with Leghorns, but they're good egg layers. And then we've got Chanticleer. Those are buff Chanticleers. They are Canadian birds, very small wattles, frostbite resistant. Here we've got some Buff Rocks. These are known as sunshine birds. And some Blue Australorps again. They're all huddled up there, and look at these cute little ducks here with their big old beaks. These are a hatchery choice again, straight run, but they're sorted, so a lot of different varieties there I see. So that'll wrap our tour for today. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe.